Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, I will show you how to generate a video using AI completely free of charge. This tool that I'm going to introduce you will give you either 100 or 180 credits depending your geographical location. You can use these credits to generate videos. Either you can generate a video by using a text prompt, or you can use an image to generate a video. The tool that I'm introducing is Google Flow. Let me go to the Google Flow website. On the Google browser, you can type Google Flow, and you can go to the first website called labs.google, and in this website you can click on this create with flow. Okay, now you need to sign in or sign up. You can click in here, then select the Google account, then it will be signed in automatically. And in here you can click new project. This is where that you are going to generate your video. In here it is already selected text to video. If this is selected, then you can enter a text prompt in here to generate your video. But in here, if you click, there's another option called frames to video. I'm going to select that option, and if this is selected, you can generate a video by using an image. I will upload an image. Just click in here and click on upload. I will browse to my pictures. I will select one of these model images, then I will keep orientation as landscape and then crop and save. Now if you can see, I have uploaded the image. Now I'm going to convert this model image into a video. For that, you need to enter a text prompt. In the text prompt, you need to explain how this photo should be converted into the video. The prompt says the woman in the photo turns towards the camera and then walks solely towards camera with a shy look. Then now I have completed the prompt, and I will click on this arrow. Then it will start generating the video. It will take some time. If you click on your profile photo, you can see how many credits you have already. In here I have 120 credits. Normally this kind of video, one video will consume about 20 credits. It will take about roughly 2 minutes to generate this video. Now for this Google account, I get 180 credits. If I can create several Google accounts, I can have many credits more. Guys, now the video generation is completed, and let me play the video for you. Let me maximize and play it. You can see the quality of the video generated by using this tool. So guys, you can try it out by yourself. Google will give you 100 or 180 credits to you depending on your geographical location, and you can generate more videos if you have several Google accounts. And there's another option that you can get 1,000 credits from Google Flow. That's For that you need to click on upgrade. If you go there, you can click on upgrade. After clicking upgrade, there will be an option for that you can enter your card details, and once you enter your card details, they will deduct about half a US dollar, and they will fund that money back to your account, and to verify your card, and then you will get 1,000 credits for 1 month period. At the end of 1 month period only, then they will charge. But if you cancel that subscription before 1 month period, you can use the 1,000 credits and cancel the subscription, that you will not be charged any amount. That means you get 1,000 credits for free of charge. Guys, I hope this video is useful to you. Please give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You will see more useful videos in my channel in future. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.